Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm back to share with you a new and easy pattern. It's triangle shawl using the double V-stitch or cluster V-stitch pattern. Very easy to make, a repetition of one row only. I've done previously a video showing you how to make the double V-stitch triangle. It's from there how we start. You start as a triangle, then you shape it into a shawl. I'm going to show you how to make it in this video tutorial, and this is the result of it. At the end of the video I'll explain how many yarn I use, the size, and how many rows I have done. So for this tutorial I'm using medium worsted yarn acrylic. You can use medium worsted cotton or any fiber you like, and 6mm crochet hook. We'll get started right away. I'm gonna make a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 2 incomplete double crochet joined together into the 4th chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, pull through and hold. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the chain, pull through. You've got 3 loops, pull through all. That's the first half of the cluster. Chain 1 and repeat the same. 2 incomplete, half double crochet, 3 loops, pull through. This is my first cluster V-stitch. I'm gonna chain 3, and now what I'm gonna do, I've got the chain 1 space of my cluster V-stitch. I'm gonna make 2 cluster V-stitches in this chain 1 space. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through again, pull through all, chain 1 and repeat the same. This is 1 cluster V-stitch. I'm gonna make another cluster V-stitch in the same space. Oops. Oh. And pull through all. Now this is my second row, and I'm gonna make 1 double crochet into the initial chain 3 space. This is row 2. I'm gonna go on to the next row, chain 3 again, okay. Now I've got 2 clusters, so, and chain 1 spaces, so 1 here, 1 here. So throughout the rows, what I'm gonna do, start with chain 3, and into the chain 1 space of the previous cluster I'm gonna make 2 cluster V-stitches, and then in the next chain 1 spaces, whether 1, 2 or 3, I'm gonna make 1 cluster V-stitch and end the row with a double crochet. So I'm gonna make 2 cluster V-stitch in the first chain 1 space, this is 1, and 1 more. So I've got another video on how to make the triangle using the cluster V-stitch. stripes. You might want to have a look at that if you think this is fast. And again, 1 cluster V-stitch in the chain 1 space. And 1 double crochet at the end of the row again. This is how it looks so far. I'm gonna do 1 more row, 1, 2, 3, and again 2 cluster V stitches in the first chain 1 space. And I've got 2 chain 1s here. I'm gonna make 1 cluster in each cluster V stitch. So this is how it looks so far. So the measurement of this shawl is 87 long and 150 centimeters large. I have done 50 rows total. You can make more rows if you wish. And what else? I have used two yarn balls of the gray and 2 of the green, total of 4. That's it. It's not a very big shawl, but it's nice and warm. You can use cotton yarn if you want to have it for summer, for the beach or for the night breezes. It's up to you. But this is how it looks at the end. The double V stitch makes it look pretty and nice, and also on the edges looks neat. I hope you like the pattern and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.